NANOSKIN iron free. I'm Landon with AQUALUX Auto Detailing. Thank you so much for being here. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, or a thumbs down. Leave a comment below on what's your favorite iron remover. If it's not this, what is it? I like the Eagle One Black Plastic Coat. Alright, we're gonna jump right into this, okay? So yesterday I did a demonstration on a tire. We have more light. I just did a second video, it was on paint. I'm gonna hit this plastic on this Honda CR-V. We have it in our Maralex Industry Ergo 1000. I love these things. All right, we use it at a hand pump. Now we're gonna use it out of this. We're gonna put it on the plastic. We're gonna let it dwell 3 to 5 minutes. I don't like to bore y'all, but sometimes I like to make sure I'm giving y'all the most real and raw review of something. It says leave it on 3 to 5 minutes. You can agitate with a brush. I'm probably gonna agitate this side and we're just gonna go from there. Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna apply it and bear with the wind. Anytime I've been wanting to do a video lately, it has been nothing but windy. All right, so there, that's done. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna even hit the paint. Y'all see a little bit of the paint, and I'm gonna bring y'all in. I just got done soaking it. All right, let's make sure that y'all are not gonna get wobbled too much. I'm still working on my transitioning with this. Bear with me. Okay, so let's see. What do we got going on? All right, I can already see it's already turning purple down here. I can already tell. So it's activating very quick. So I've heard some mixed reviews, and I'm not knocking anybody. Maybe they switched their formula up. I really don't know. Okay, but I'm telling you guys, this stuff it's getting to work, and the lubrication, it's not a bad thing. All right, so the Eagle One, it dries quick. Now we're having a hard time finding it at Walmart. I'm gonna still pick it up if I can get it, but for Amazon, this stuff, 40 bucks with ship. Okay, you get a gallon. All right, it is doing a great job. Okay, so I want to say we're probably about a minute in, and it's still tearing into it. Got it on the plastic. It is 90. Got it on the plastic up here. It is 90. Oh, we got some. All right, it is 90 degrees today here in Texas, and extremely windy. It is very windy. Okay, so I'm gonna try to keep y'all stabilized. I want y'all to see just how much it's working, and I'm doing this in heat. I would normally never tell anybody to do this, but I'm mobile. Sometimes I need something different, and this is giving me the best bang for my buck. You saw how much I used out of the Maralex. Okay, so we've given it some time to work. We're almost at 2 minutes. I'm going to try to balance this at the same time. Hold on, bear with me, guys. I know it's rough when you're watching, so let's see how it is. Okay, so I am barely putting any pressure on. Okay, and we'll get up in here. Y'all can see this. It's cutting through the dirt pretty good. All right, look at that. Oh, it's bleeding good now. Look at that. I'm sorry I get excited about this stuff. I don't know what it is. I have a fascination with wheels. Okay, so it's still on here, but guess what? It's not drying to that. So normally that would be something you'd have to stay away from. All right, and it's not. We're gonna let this go. We're almost 3 minutes in, and it has just been kicking butt and taking names on. It's doing what it's supposed to do. All right, let me dock y'all really quick. All right, let's make sure we don't drop y'all, and y'all can see. I mean, I can zoom y'all in here. There you go. So 40 bucks, Amazon. I have been having a hard time finding the Eagle One Black Plastic Coat. I love it. $4.96, can't beat it. But when you can see this on Amazon, I mean, I know we're all going through something right now in the US, but you know, optimistically it's gonna get better. Okay, so keep that in mind. But for 40 bucks on Amazon, you can get that. It's in a gallon jug. You don't have to empty the bottles. I love both products, but this one is starting to really win me over because it's got that gel formula in it. And like I said, I would compare it to Adams, but I'm gonna tell you what, Adams, CarPro, Iron X, guess what? This is like the evil cousin that's gonna be like wrecking shop, because I'm gonna keep talking about it because it's just that good in my opinion, and I can work in the sun with it. I already showed it 5 minutes straight in direct sunlight. A lot of people are probably not gonna like that. They're gonna be like, no, you're not supposed to do that. That's so unorthodox. I'm sorry. I'm a Marine, and that's just my nature. I like pushing things to the limit. Guess what? It's still in there. It's still working. We still got on the plastic. I'm not freaking out. We're almost at 5 minutes. Okay, so we're almost at the 4 minute mark. I don't want to bore y'all anymore, but let me zoom y'all out. We'll rinse this out, Landon. Come on, let's be smart here. Okay, so we got that. We have the plastic. I'm going to tilt y'all back. We have the plastic. I'm not worried about it right now. Okay, so now we're going to rinse. Okay, hope I don't drop y'all. And we'll just do one little agitation right there. But it does have cutting power to knock that dirt out. And I love this. One quick thing. Imagine if you sprayed this on all 4 tires and you didn't have to sit there and babysit one. That's a win. That's time saving, and I can even be working on the paint because I'm in direct sunlight. It's 90 degrees in Texas, and guess what? I'm doing iron decon, baby. Here we go. And it rinses so good. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. After I get you guys wet, hold on, let me make sure the screen's still good. Okay, so we still got a good screen. Hold on. I am going to make sure this is dry. I am so sorry. I apologize. This is why I never edit anything, okay? So we're rinsing right now. We're gonna hit the plastic up there. We're rinsing that. This wind is a beating today. I tell y'all what, it is a straight beating. Okay, all right. Do I still have y'all? Oh, I hope so. I'm sorry. I hope that y'all can still see. Okay, I'm gonna bring y'all in. I'm so sorry about all the commotion today, but that's just how it goes sometimes. You gotta get the live and real. Okay, look at that. It did a great job. Look at that. Yeah, if I had a power washer, oh my word, this would be kicking. I love it. Okay, look, on the plastic, it's not staining, okay? I'm gonna rinse up here real quick. Let's rinse up here. Let's do a good job of rinsing. And I'm gonna take a rag and I'm gonna wipe and show y'all there's no residue. All right, so here I go, bend down. Here we go, Landon. Look, no staining. 0 staining on that plastic, and it's dry. That is, oh man, this is exciting. Okay, anyways, all right, NANOSKIN iron free. I don't know what else I can say about it right now, but I'm extremely impressed. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm not trying to make it long. I think I got a new favorite product, guys. So y'all keep it simple, keep washing your hands. I'll catch you later. Y'all have a great evening. Bye.